Meet the game changers of the microcontroller world, emphasis on micro, the ATtiny10 series. Introducing the Tiny10-LED and Tiny10 Solo from CanHobby.ca. These microcontroller development boards might be small, but they pack a mighty punch. The Tiny10-LED is perfect for beginners, featuring a user-programmable onboard LED. And for those of you who love the idea of bare-bones electronics, the Tiny10 Solo brings robust functionality in a tiny package, ideal for space-sensitive creations or battery-powered IoT situations. Both are designed to be user-friendly, even if you're just dipping your toes into the world of DIY electronics. Dive into your next project with the ATtiny10 series and light up your creativity. In previous videos, I touched on the internal hardware features of the ATtiny10 MCU, such as GPIOs and the timer. In another screen gem, I covered the basics of programming these boards from the Arduino IDE using a USB ASP. Meet the versatile ATtiny10 Solo. This gem stands out for its remarkable standalone capability, making it a dream for enthusiasts who prefer minimalist simplicity. With the Tiny10 Solo, you're looking at a board that thrives in a typical battery-operated IoT environment. Its compact design shines in projects where space is akin to luxury. Imagine integrating it into wearable tech or tiny automated systems. The possibilities are as expansive as your imagination allows. Expect deeper dives into each of these products in our upcoming videos. The Tiny10-LED is an ideal place to start your tiny journey. Just like its bigger brothers in the Arduino world, the Uno and Nano, it features an onboard user programmable LED on B1. The Blink Sketch is the obligatory Hello World program in this milieu. So the Tiny10-LED is an awesome place to begin. The LED is blue, easy on the eyes. It has a resistor to ground, so it is turned on by setting GPIO 1 to high. It must be noted that GPIO 3 is the reset pin by default. If the voltage on this pin goes lower than 0.9 volts, the chip will reset. This includes writing a low to GPIO 3. You can use the ADC on pin 3 as long as the input analog voltage is kept above 1 volt. The default reset pin can be deprogrammed by setting an internal fuse. This action is very difficult to undo, so I don't recommend it for other than very advanced users. One should also keep in mind that pin B1 does have the LED circuitry connected using a 1.1K resistor, which may interfere with any external components used in your project. For this reason, later revisions of the LED board have a solder pad on the bottom, which only enables this circuit if it is shorted. This highlights the difference between the LED and Solo boards. There is no effective difference if using the latest rev of the LED version. Not enabling the LED turns the board into a Solo board. For this reason, the Solo is no longer in production, but there may still be existing stock available. The ability to disable the LED is a huge advantage in typical IoT applications, which are often battery-powered. The compact design shines in projects where space and/or current draw are at a premium. Imagine integrating it into wearable tech or very small automated systems. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. And that's it for a quick overview of the CanHobby ATtiny10-LED and the Solo. Keep an eye out for our detailed tutorials on each product, complete with example Arduino sketches, accompanying blogs, and GitHub source code repositories. Happy making!